So hey there, this is our website. You see, first animation looks amazing, right? Yeah, it's opening, and then here's the never. It's amazing so far. Okay, and from here you see you can actually change and tweaks between these colors option, and we have also those font selection option. You can change literally the colors. Hey, hello everyone. Hope you all are doing great. So in this video, I will talk about Claude design, which is recently released by Anthropic. So currently in community, there is lots of hype about it. So in this video, I will try to go through the whole process of Claude design and try to show you guys its outputs look like, and definitely the session, because as you know, it's running on 4.7 Opus model. It will definitely cost a lot. So I will show you how much session it took. So after this video, we can actually measure like is that helpful or not. So let's get back to our screen. Hey there. Okay, let's get started. First of all, what you have to do, you have to go with this one, Claude.ai. So as you all know, like Claude have previously chats, projects, artifacts, code, and design. So recently this design is introduced. So we will actually click this one. But initially right now it will show me this dashboard. But whenever you are first time, it will ask some basic question about design system, and you have to answer them. It will actually try to predict or try to get an idea about your design system. So as we will testing this one with a landing page, let me try to name it as, this project name will be designer portfolio. Okay, I'm just going with this one. I'll select this one, design system. You can use like this one we are using right now, and scale automated video. You can actually try with this one. There's different type of skills and design system here. If your project actually needs some animated video, you can choose this one. Like your project design will have some animated video. Let's suppose I'm adding this one, and you see here it's actually adding those skills. Previously some default skills is there, which is design system, interactive prototype, and then the hi-fi design. And right now I have added another one, which is animated video. I will also add this one, front-end design. Okay, and one more thing I will add with which one. Okay, interactive prototype is there already. Save as standalone HTML. I will not go through it right now. Okay, let's go with these skills for the basic one, as we are testing the design, Claude design, how much powerful this one, or how much efficient. So after design system, we have another option, that is add screenshot. Let's suppose you have some reference images that you need to follow in this design. You can put here as screenshot, and then attach code base. You can actually add your code base, any of your GitHub code base, or you can drop your folder, the whole code base. Then it will actually it will actually extract all those data and how you follow, and what's your content and the design structure, everything it will follow, and then redesign it, or whatever you prompt it, it will go through that. And also lastly, there is another option, that is drag in a Figma file. You can literally drag a whole Figma file here, and then you can start implementing or redesigning or whatever you just prompt here. Okay, so now the next part is, as we are testing this one with some basic things, we will actually try that how much Claude design is capable. We will go with the basic prompt. Okay, so one more thing here, I already opened this chat mode. Why I opened previously, let me show you. So let's suppose I need designer portfolio. Okay, so I will tell him like, hey there, I need a designer portfolio design to create. Now I want you to make or give me a strong prompt on it so that I can copy and paste that prompt to my Claude design. Okay, then one more thing I will mention, that is make sure that that design should be award winning and animated, highly animated. We'll mention that highly animated and eye-catchy. Okay, so we will go through this prompt. We'll actually tell the here we are actually mentioning that we need a prompt, strong prompt, that we can actually directly copy and paste to our Claude design, and it's generating the prompt right now. Okay, so in the meantime, I will tell you another thing, that is, right now, as this Claude design is not actually available for all user, it's not on free trial, only for the pro and max subscription based. I mean, those who have pro or max subscription, they can actually use it. So right now you can see, previously I tried once. So Claude design weekly session 39% is done. So we will measure this one from when we give up new prompt here for our new design. After that, we will check how much session it took, because as you know, it's running on 4.7 opus. So okay, here it is. It already write the whole prompt. Okay, build a stunning award-winning designer portfolio, and whatever it is. I copied this prompt, and now I will paste it here. It's pasted text, 91 lines. Hope it's visible. Sorry guys, previously my camera position or video capturing position was here, so it was not visible. See, I'm telling you again, that is, previously these skills were mentioned, and whatever skill you let me remove one of them. Let's suppose I remove this one. Okay, so front-end design is removed. It's a skill, so you can use any skill from this section. Okay, so let's add the front-end design again. I guess front-end design is there already, right? Okay, use design system and then front-end design. Yeah, whatever skill you add, it will be added here. And then we already pasted that prompt also, right? There is our prompt. Okay, now clicking on send button, it will actually start working. Initially it will ask some basic question about what you need or whatever you want in this portfolio. Maya Chan should be the name, and the role should be, okay, accent color should be, I will choose this one, neon mint, which is fine. For heading font fill, we will actually go with decide for me. This button is actually for whenever you are confused in any question, you can use this one, decide for me. Then AI will decide which one will be better for your designing. Decide for me, expose tweaks for okay, decide for me. I will go with this answer. Then I will actually, after that, this question part, it will immediately write some to-dos. You see, it's writing the to-dos plus build portfolio HTML with all section and animation. Like after that, after this design part is done, then it will actually generate an HTML also for me, by which I actually can browse that and check that design, how much it's perfectly aligned or not. Okay, so let's wait. In this section, it will take a little time, maybe 10 to 15 minutes. So hey there, this is our website. You see, first animation looks amazing, right? Yeah, it's opening, and then here's the never. It's amazing so far. Okay, and from here you see, you can actually change and tweaks between these colors option, and we have also those font selection option. You can change literally the colors, and you can see the design, how it looks like. See, these are amazing, right? It's amazing. This one is fine, right? I love this one. Okay, so let's go with the default one, first one, accent, this one. Okay, after that you can change the font style. See, you can actually tweak between them and use any of them. Okay, let's go with this one. And you can also change the cursor. You see the cursor, and soft, this one, soft glow. Let's go with the first one. Okay, now let's reload this one again. You see, first look is amazing, first initial landing is amazing. Okay, here is a share button. Okay, you can literally share it as standalone HTML. Okay, whenever you click this one, I already download this one. Okay, whenever you click this standalone HTML, it will actually give the HTML file here. I have already downloaded that. See the full view, it's amazing so far, man. I love it. With a single prompt, you see, with a single prompt, this actually build an amazing portfolio website for designer. And the amazing part is you can change literally any font style, any design style. This is just based on one prompt. You can change prompt from here also. Like you can add, let's suppose there is a placeholder, you can add an image and then tell him like, hey, this is my designer image. You can add that, or you can change these. Here you can use some image as placeholder as your project. Okay, literally you can change anything. And here is another version of it. See, it's amazing, man. You see this one, like these texts, every time this one is changing. Wow. Here is the social link, how much session it took. See, previously it was 39. We started from 39 and it's 73. Almost, you can say, like one third of your session, weekly session, it takes. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. I just try to show you guys how Claude design works and how much its capability. I know if we do better prompting, we do use some better skill, and I just tried it with a basic prompt without giving any information. Okay, so this is how the result look like. But in my next video I will try to create another project, and then with that project how we can create an XJS full project and deploy it on Vercel. On my next video I will try to show that. So stay tuned with me, and please subscribe my channel if you interested in programming, if you interested in AI or AI tools like Claude. Yeah, that's all. I will try to create some more videos on it and how we can utilize AI to build some real world project. In my next few videos I will try to create some content like that.